There are five kind of classification. One is kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and the fifth kingdom is kingdom Animalia. So my dear friends, animals are also categorized in different ways, in different groups, based upon their properties. Now, what are the different groups? So that we'll try to study about. You know about vertebrates. We know about vertebral columns, skeletal system. So based upon presence and absence of vertebral columns, my dear students, animals are classified or they are grouped. We'll go by one. Animal kingdom is classified based upon their presence of vertebral column or absence of vertebral columns. The animals who does not possess a vertebral column, they are known as invertebrates or non-chordates. The animals who have little emergence of spinal cord, they are called as protochordates. The meaning of pro means a primitive, and from that onwards the chordata group starts. The third category is vertebrates or chordates. So these animals are classified based upon the vertebral column. Absence of vertebral column, they are called as invertebrates or non-chordates. Presence of vertebral column, they are called as vertebrates or chordates. And there is in between category wherein the vertebrates can be have little bit of emergence, they are called as protochordates. Let us understand what are the different categories or examples which are comes under invertebrates, example which comes under protochordates, and example which comes under vertebrates. My dear students, invertebrates are also referred as non-chordates, and there are n number of phylums. Phylum Protozoa, phylum Porifera, phylum Coelenterata, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Annelida, phylum Mollusca, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Echinodermata. The examples are phylum Protozoa, example is Paramecium, Amoeba, Urina. Phylum Porifera, examples are sponges. Phylum Coelenterata, examples are Hydra, Anthozoa. Phylum Platyhelminthes, example is liver fluke. Phylum Annelida, example is earthworms, leeches. Phylum Mollusca, that is soft body animal, they are called shells, octopus, loligo, squids. Phylum Arthropoda is very diverse. Examples are insecta, crustacea, scorpions, butterflies. Echinodermata, example is Euabaraba, starfish. So this is regarding invertebrates, non-chordates, their phylums, their examples. Let us go to protochordates. They are Salpa, Amphioxus, Balanoglus. They are called as Hemichordata, Cephalochordata, and Urochordata. These are the examples of them. And the last category, that is Vertebrata or Chordata. So they have 5 classes under this. So vertebrates or chordates will have 5 classes. Class 1 species, examples are all fish. Class 2 amphibia, examples are frog. Class 3 reptilia, reptiles, examples are tortoise, snakes. 4th class is aves, means all birds. The last 5th class is mammals. They all are animals which are higher orders, which bear mammary glands and body hairs. They all are mammal, including me, chimpanzee, orangutan, monkey, apes. So today we learn about animals who are grouped based upon the vertebral columns. They are invertebrates or non-chordates, protochordates, vertebrates or chordates. So students, today what we will learn? Yes, invertebrates, protochordates and vertebrates. If I ask you a question, you are able to give me answer. What about any phylum? What about any class? Will you able to answer? Yes, very good. Students, from this topic, we will able to understand if there are n number of animals, we can group them and categorize them under which category they are belongs to. Yes, turtle. Turtle has shell. But my dear students, turtle is having vertebral column. Even though they are having outer cover shell, but they are not belongs to mollusca, but they are belongs to the class called as reptilia. Whale. Dear students, whale is fish? No. Whale is mammalia. Yes. So there are, if you have any questions, students, please note the questions and in next video you comment on the questions, I will be able to answer. This is not the end of the chapter. There are n number of things. The biology is so beautiful. We'll go one by one.